So, how does an ex truck driver that barely graduated high school come up with good website content? Not only that, good website content that actually ranks very well on Google. Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you guys the formula I've developed over the years that makes writing website content pretty damn easy. Not only that, I'm going to show you guys some website writing examples of some of the stuff that I've written that's ranked very well. That way, anybody out there who's looking to develop and create their own websites, they can take these ideas and use them on their websites. So let's go ahead and take a look at my formula. What's up there, guys? Izzy here once again with Do It Yourself SEO, where I help home business owners, contractors understand search engine optimization, how to design their own websites, and do their own SEO to generate them leads for their business. And on this video, I want to talk about how to structure your content. Not only that, I'm going to share with you guys some good website content writing examples that I've done in the past that have ranked extremely well on Google just because of the way that it's structured and designed. Again, I am a former ready mix driver. I used to drive for Lowe's as well. I used to deliver uniforms and linen. So overall, I've just been a truck driver pretty much most of my life. Just the last 7 years or so, I've made the jump uh, doing stuff online, doing a whole different thing now because I need to just generate more money. And driving a truck's honorable profession, but I just did not make enough to make ends meet. So basically, what I do is I structure websites with a formula that I've created over the years. I've taken a lot of courses, I've learned a lot of stuff, I've learned how to write, I've learned how to do a bunch of things, but I've also tried to simplify because I came from an area where it was difficult for me to learn all of this stuff. And I've broken it down to a simple way where I feel like I could show anybody how to write the content for their own websites. And I'm going to, like I said, I'll show you guys some examples of what I mean. So basically, I just structure everything in blocks, right? Most of the websites that I create, they're probably all of them are for contractors and home service type businesses, right? And writing the content for them is really not that difficult, especially if they know the industry more than I do. I'm able to write content for even better than they do, and they're in the industry that they're in for many, many years. So basically, it's a simple formula that I follow, right? I always show you guys, I always show folks my template that I've created right here. I have it hosted on an old domain just so people can see it at all times. I'll have a link in the description below, but it's always the number one is the header. When I create the website content, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to make these websites rank. So if it's a business, like let's say it's a window cleaning service, right? The whole idea is to try to get your website found for window cleaning services. Let's say they live in Santa Barbara, the business owner, right? Santa Barbara, California. So the whole idea behind getting your website set up in the first place is to build out a website that'll rank very, very well on Google when somebody's looking for a window cleaner in Santa Barbara, right? So everything I do is structured in sections, right? So this is the intro. It's the most important part of your website. This is what's the H1 title tag, all that stuff. I go into other videos, right? You have to basically structure it in a nice way. You got to make a good, compelling headline, not only that catches people's attention, but also includes the service and then the city, right? And then you got to follow it up with a good little paragraph here underneath. And then some features, like are they local? I've been in business since, 2005, things like that, right? And in this section, what I try to do in this section is I try to remind the customer why they were online in the first place, right? If somebody needs their windows cleaned, why would they go? That's a problem that they have, right? So why would they need their windows cleaned? What types of things are they asking themselves, right? And you as the business owner or whoever's creating this website has to think about the problems that that customer is looking for or trying to get answers for, and basically remind them why they were online in the first place so they know that, oh, yes, this is exactly what I was looking for, right? And then I always put in here, like, basically, listen, we're the answer to your prayers. We're the crew that you need for the service that you need. And here are the reasons. So this is the next section, the third section. These are the reasons why we are the solution to your problem, right? And then on the next section, I always break it down so that the customer knows that this business provides the services that he's looking for, right? So if you're a window cleaner, you can say, we clean windows, commercial windows, we do the rain gutters, we clean the screens, whatever you might think about, the other services that you have, right? Weekly service, monthly service, whatever the services are, you put them in here because not only that, you're adding more content to the website, it's making it look good, and you're doing everything all together. You're showing the customer what you do, the service. Not only that, you're adding all this content and all this information in a natural way so the Google crawls this website and it'll start to help it rank on the search result. And then the next section right here is what makes you different from the rest, right? Write in a little paragraph of what makes you different from everybody else in that area. And again, constant reminders to for calls to action, right? Next section here, I always like to put a section as to what the customer is going to expect when they call this service. Again, I always tell people when you're reaching out to a business you've never talked to, you don't know anything about them, you kind of want to know an idea of what's going to take place when you reach out to them. So say it's a window cleaning business, right? Like what's going to happen when I call these people? If you outline it right here, they'll know ahead of time, and it's going to make the whole process easier. It's going to make them want to take action a little bit easier, right? In this next section, there's nothing really to write. Usually, what I do is just embed the reviews right into the Google reviews that they have right into the site. I set up an email form, and there's always a final call to action. And all of this content, especially now as I'm learning more and more over the years, you don't need as much as I used to think you did. Back when I first started, you needed a lot. But I think Google's getting smarter and it's knowing that the customer, if they get the information that they want right away and it makes them take action on this website, that's good enough to make this bad boy rank, right? So let me show you guys some of these website content writing examples that I've done in the past that have ranked very, very well, just to show you that my formula works. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to provide a link to each one of these websites that I show you guys, just my writing example, just to show you how I wrote that content following that formula, right? So the first one is window screen repair in Chicago, right? Somebody reached out to me, they were looking to get more leads this way, and I basically wrote out the content for their website for that search. And you're going to see, if you type that into Google, they're the second website on there. I didn't do anything else other than the on-page SEO stuff, right? So if you click on their site, Chicago screen repair, right? We provide screen repair in Chicago and the surrounding areas with customized screens for windows, patio screen doors, and more. See how I did? This was pretty straightforward. Chicago screen repair, right? Screen repair services in Chicago, right? Screen repair, thoughtful care. Let's see. Looking for window screen repair in Chicago. There's the 6 questions they asked, right? We are the answer to your prayers. We are a professional team, highest quality, quick response. This is this type of screen repairs we do. Screen rooms, window screens, patio screen doors, pet screen doors, property management for contractors. What makes us different? What's going to happen when they reach out? And then the final call to action. That's it. It's probably, I don't even know if it's even 1,000 words of content, but that's all it took. And there they are, page 2 of the Google search results right there. So here's the next example, right? Like I said, all these links are going to be in the description. Carpet cleaning, right? Same formula. Look at that. Number 1 of the search results here in my area. Professional carpet cleaning and pastorals, right there. Right? Professional carpet cleaning and pastorals dedicated to restoring the freshness of your carpets. Yada, yada, yada. Eco-friendly, guaranteed results, trust is local. Again, here's the 6 questions, right? The customer's asking themselves as to why they were online in the first place. Are unsightly marks from your family's pets accidents that you'd like to address? Have you lingering spots from spilled drinks that need attention? Things like that, right? Why were they online in the first place? We are the answer to your prayers. This is why. This is what we do: carpet cleaning, tile, upholstery, furniture for business. This is why we're different. The steps they're going to take when they reach out to us, the reviews, all that stuff, right? And then the final call to action. That's it. Very, very simple formula. Another example for you guys to check out: junk removal in Atascadero. Oops, didn't spell that city right. There you go. Just finished up this website about a month ago, and they're already here, number 2. We're working on this Google map listing too. But again, simple formula. Like I said, as I progress through the years, I'm starting to realize that less but better. Fast. So what are we trying to get found for? Atascadero junk removal, right? Fast and affordable Atascadero junk removal services. See how I weaved it in there, right? And here is The next paragraph, unmatched pricing, 5-star reviews since 2017, questions that they're asking themselves. We're the answer to your prayers, and here's why. Here are the services we provide with our junk removal services. Here's what makes us different, what to expect when you call us, reviews, email form, final call to action. There you go. Another example, pole barn builder in Tennessee. I built this one a few years back, and it's right here sitting at towards the top. And this is for the whole state of Tennessee. You see there, number 3. You want to get found for pole barn builder in Tennessee? Custom pole barn builder in Tennessee. Experience the dedicated quality of pole barn builders in Tennessee with buildings that you will love, right? Searching for, again, questions that they're asking themselves. Let's see, need your own space for your project with your own custom shop, looking for an area for things in an equipment shed, need extra space with a custom garage. These are types of questions that this potential client is looking for. And again, this is where the answer to your prayers. This is why. Here's the types of sheds that we build and barns, pole barns, what makes us different. The process, a little bit longer process because it's a big project there. Testimonials, guys got video ones, email form, final call to action. Same thing, same formula over and over and over again. Now, I do offer quite a bit of this breakdown and show people how to really structure a website, especially with WordPress on part of my course here, a do-it-yourself website design course, the SEO course that I have. So I have everything on here, including the templates to help anybody out who really wants to get this done. I even have PDF instructions. You can print these out and just kind of walk you step by step. But just to show you guys, here's the section on how to fix this part of the website, right? Let me show you guys. So if let's say you're a window cleaner out in Santa Barbara and you got this template and you want to structure it all out, show you guys how to basically do this even using ChatGPT prompts and things like that. So let me show you real quick. I even have the prompts here saved on here for you. So how to go to ChatGPT, what to do, right? I'm creating a website for a service, right? You just copy this prompt, right? And then you copy this prompt that I already have right here as an example. Let's go to ChatGPT. Already done this. You don't have to go through all this stuff. I'm creating a website for a window cleaning service called Tim's Pristine Cleaners in Santa Barbara. Write me a good SEO title and meta description for my window cleaning service with the keywords window cleaning in Santa Barbara. Give me 3 different versions. And the reason that I do this is because you can use this meta description and title tag to put on your website that'll help it rank. But not only that, you can use some of this content to give you ideas to come up with a good title for your website, and in the paragraph underneath that includes all those keywords. So I'll show you one that really caught my attention here was trusted window cleaning in Santa Barbara, California. See how that includes everything on here. And then with this template, right, you just go on here, hit edit with Elementor. Like I said, let's go ahead and pretend that this is a window cleaning website we're building. Now you can pop that in there, trusted window cleaning in Santa Barbara. And then for the next paragraph, you just go in something like here. I was looking at all these descriptions, but this one that really caught my attention. I really liked it, right? Your go-to choice for window cleaning in Santa Barbara. Our dedicated team uses advanced techniques to leave your windows crystal clear. I like that. Let's go ahead and copy that. Pop this into this section. Paste. There you go. Let's just capitalize this letter, make it look good. Hit update. And now we're looking good, right? And like I say, you can start adding these features right here. And then here's I have another prompt just for this section. I know if you as a business owner, you're providing that service, I'm pretty sure you already know the questions your customers have. But if you want to get some ideas, come up with better ways of writing it, just use ChatGPT. I have another prompt for that too. List 7 problems the ideal clients in window cleaning services are facing and write them as questions. What are they dealing with, which would make them search for the business online? Please keep it no more than 50 words and write only questions. So I hit that prompt right, and here's the response. Are your windows constantly covered with streaks and smudges, right? So you can copy that. Pop it in one of your questions here. See, I have everything preset, so it makes it easy. Right, here's another one. Struggling to reach high and difficult to access windows for cleaning. right? And you can look these over and see if they're dumb or if you need to alter them. But I'm just doing this as a quick example, right? We'll just do those two so you can see what happens. There you go. See, it's already looking that way. All right, Windows constantly covered with streaks, blah, blah, blah. You can switch out your logos and things like that. So that's how I make this try to make this easy for anybody. Like I said, I come from a difficult background of learning stuff. I still remember being in high school, I couldn't really read. I think it's because my family came from Mexico. I didn't learn English until elementary, and I think kind of held me back. So I couldn't read for shit. So as I got older, I had a difficult time with writing and all that stuff. So I've tried to break this down to simple as possible. So just the average person who wants to build their own website and create some good content can do so following my prompts, following my structure, following my design to get things done. So I just wanted to share you guys those website content writing examples. I'll have links to all those websites. So you guys see what I was able to write following my formula and how anybody can do this for themselves. In fact, I use some of this stuff for other things like Google Business Posts and things like that. You can check that out in this video here. But that's all I want to share with you guys. Feel free to reach out and get that free SEO course on here. And in that course has the option to upgrade and get my more advanced SEO and website design course, which I'm now will be offering. All right, guys, that's all I got for you guys today. Until next time.